Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I want to give you a tour of 4170 Calle de Estrellas. This is an incredible property. Sits on just under a half an acre on this great big lot. You have a 3-car garage, RV access. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus an office. Big great room as well. It's 2442 square feet. Come on in, let's take a look around. All right, right now I'm standing in the great room. You got tile floors, you got this great stacked stone fireplace, high ceilings. Off of the family room here, you got this great kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite tile countertops, and there's a nice office area off here as well with French doors. Home has this great primary suite, big large room. It does have access out to the back patio. Again, you have these great plantation shutters, gorgeous ensuite bathroom with double sinks, jetted tub, and walk-in shower, real large walk-in closet as well. The home has a split floor plan. All 3 guest bedrooms are nice size. All the carpet has been replaced in all the bedrooms. The bedrooms also have the plantation shutters and a nicely appointed guest bathroom. Home sits on this incredible lot, and you have this great backyard, lots of native cactus and landscaping. It's an east-facing backyard, so you have some Organ Mountain views, shade in the summertime and the late afternoons with this great patio, extended patio. There is a gas hookup for your gas grill, and again, there's RV access as well. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 4170 Calle de Estrellas. Again, an incredible property. It's a 4-bedroom plus an office, 2.5 bath, great 3-car garage. Sits on this incredible lot that's just under a half acre, east-facing backyard with Organ Mountain views, and you have RV access as well. So give me a call, Ron Bruder, at 575-312-7330. or visit our website at www.homesforsaleInLasCruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.